Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting their dashboard brightness? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on power. First, ensure that your vehicle's power mode is turned on. Step 2. Find selector. Locate the right selector wheel on your dashboard. Step 3. Brighten dashboard. To lighten the dashboard panel, roll the right selector wheel upward. Step 4. Dim dashboard. To darken the panel, simply roll the selector wheel downward. Step 5. Set preference. Adjust until the brightness level suits your preference for comfortable viewing. With these steps, you should now have the dashboard brightness set just right. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.